How to be a confident speaker? Confidence is a very important element in learning to speak a language. If a message is given confidently, the listener won't worry about any mistakes. Let me give you an example. A man comes. You know he is very learned. His language is beautiful. He speaks to you by the hour, but he doesn't make an impression. Another man comes and he speaks a few words, not well arranged, ungrammatical perhaps. However, he makes an immense impression. Why does this thing happen? It is because words alone cannot always produce an impression. There is also a factor called personal magnetism. It is more or less your confidence. Your personal magnetism is signified by your confidence. Self-confidence is essential for good communication. But how can we become confident speakers? Follow the 4R rule to become a confident speaker. They are reflect, rehearse, relax, and reproduce. First, reflect on the message what you want to communicate. Select your ideas. Find some keywords that can present your ideas effectively. The key ideas, your main points, and the keywords or key phrases are nothing but suitable words. Extra attention must be given to remember the suitable words because these words will help you make your points clear and speak confidently and effectively. One point needs special mention. Do not overcrowd your brain with too many ideas. Just take up one or two important ideas and deal them properly. In the second step, rehearse. Try to speak to an imaginary audience. Talk to imaginary characters. Talk to yourself before a mirror and see how you are sharing your message. While rehearsing, fine-tune your skills and overcome your weaknesses. The third step to become a confident speaker is to relax. Relax your body and mind first before speaking. Just chill. Wear a gentle smile on your face. It will relax you internally and at the same time it will make you look confident outwardly. Then reproduce your ideas. Follow this cycle. Repeat this process in your day-to-day life. Put it into a habit. You will gradually find your confidence increasing day by day. Wish you all the best.